Did you know the Burj Khalifa's dizzying height isn't its only feat? The world's tallest building stands strong against fierce desert winds thanks to ingenious engineering. Its unique, spiraling Y-shaped design disrupts wind vortices, preventing dangerous swaying. Engineers even tested over 40 wind tunnel models to perfect stability. Special setbacks along the tower's height break up air currents, while a high-strength concrete core acts as a backbone. Next time you look up at this Dubai icon, remember, its true power lies in the science behind the skyline. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite wonder.